everybody. In this video we're going to be taking a look at how to load print files onto the AnkerMake M5. We're going to go over the 3 ways to do it, and we're going to take a look at each one. So let's get into this. Alright, so let's look at the first way of loading files onto the printer, which is by a USB drive. So here on the computer we need to get our file ready for exporting to our USB drive. So the first thing we need to do is, once your print is all ready and all your settings are where you need them, and you have sliced the file like so. Now that our file is sliced and everything is looking good, we just need to export our file to our thumb drive. So come down to export, navigate to your thumb drive, and then just click save. It'll generate an AI image for the error detection, and there we go. It is now on our thumb drive and we can plug it in to our machine. So once you've transferred it from your slicer and exported it to a thumbstick, a USB drive of some sort, a USB-C drive to be specific, then we can go ahead and load that onto the printer. So I've got a USB-C drive here, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. And a little icon popped up saying it was loaded, and we can go ahead and go into start and USB. So we can come in here to our USB drive, and there we have it. There is our print file ready to go. We can select it and it'll actually show us a little preview of what our print looks like. Then we can review the settings. It'll tell us the speed that we're going to do it at, the amount of filament it's going to take, and the time it's going to take. Then we can just go print. Now let's take a look at how to do this from our phone. Alright, so when we set up the printer, we also set up the app on our phone. And once we did that, this is the view that we have on our phone. So if we have a USB stick in, we can also choose from those files from our phone. So let's go ahead and hit print. And then here we see the 2 different tabs. We have internal, which has all of the local files. And then we have our USB drive. So let's go ahead and select our USB drive. It will show us the settings. It doesn't show us a preview yet, but I assume that will be coming in a future update. But it does tell us the speed, the amount of filament, and the print time, and then we can hit print. Now let's take a look at how to send print files directly from our computer over our network. Alright, back here on our computer we need to make sure that our model is ready to go and the slice is how we want it. And then, as long as our computer is on the same network as our printer, we should see it as a device. So here's my AnkerMake. So if we come back into preview, let's get this file ready to send over the network to our printer. To do that, we just need to come down to print. It'll generate the AI image. We just need to select our printer and we just need to click print. It will send the code to the printer. The printer will beep and it will start the process of loading the print file onto the printer, and it will begin printing. So there we go. It shows us some live stats of the printer. It is heating up, and it shows us the approximate time and the approximate filament used. We can also stop or pause the print from here. We can't pause it right now because it hasn't started yet, but we can stop it, and this will show us our stats as it's going. Alright, there we have it, the 3 ways to load print files onto your AnkerMake M5. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button because there will be more helpful videos like this on their way. And if you have any suggestions or ideas, let me know down in the comments below. And until the next one, catch you later.